12 aesthetic plants that don't require sunlight and can beautify your house. Are you one of those who wants to brighten up the home, office ambience by having plants around? But does insufficient lighting dissuade you from doing that? Well, fret not. These plant varieties do well even in darkened rooms and places impregnable by sunlight. Yes, you may thank us later. Calatheas. This plant does poorly in direct sunlight, which is why you should put this plant with beautifully patterned leaves in darkened spaces. Dumb canes. Diffused light is optimum for this plant's growth. It looks beautiful in the summer and bright leaves appear. Dragon trees. This piece of the tropics is perfect for your office space. Conveniently for you, it doesn't like direct sunlight. Chlorophytum comosum. This plant can go without sunlight for a long time, and it even helps clean the surrounding air, making it a must-have in your house. Ferns. More than 2,000 species can be grown at home, even in the dark shadows. These tropical plants need frequent spraying, especially during the hot seasons. Neoregelia. This beautiful tropical plant grows only with artificial lighting and wet conditions, for instance in bathrooms or patios. Neoregelia. This beautiful tropical plant grows only with artificial lighting and wet conditions, for instance in bathrooms or patios. Aglaonema. All you would-be gardeners, attention! This one's perfect for you and it doesn't even need bright light adjustments. Aglaonema. All you would-be gardeners, attention! This one's perfect for you and it doesn't even need bright light adjustments. Sansevieria trifasciata. Extremely low on maintenance, this plant requires almost no care. Aspidistra lacer variegata. Shadow, heat or cold. This plant grows in all conditions. Just that you have to be really patient because it grows slowly.